Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about how to stop, restart and restart Jenkins by services in Windows 10. So just click on the start button and type services, and then click on that. You'll be get something window like that. Click anywhere in this area and just press that in keyboard key J. So you'll be get that in a Jenkins, or you can click on that in by name and you can scroll it and you can find it. So by default Jenkins will be running automatically. You can stop and restart it once it is running. Once it is stopped, then you will be get the options only start. Other than that, you can just right click and see that in these are the options. You can perform it a start, a stop, pause, resume and restart. And like in all tasks, you can do that in these are the operations. So let me go and open the Windows Internet Explorer and verify that in Jenkins is running or not. Yeah, so Jenkins is running, and we can check that in admin, because at the time of installations we have configured that in user ID and password. So let me log out, and if I'll go to that in service sections, and if I'll click on the stop, and again if I'll go to the Windows and internet like in Edge or Internet Explorer or like in any other browser, and if you'll try it's connecting and we'll say that no, it's not running. So now we have at the time now that Jenkins is a stop and stated is blank, we can do that in a start. So once that in Jenkins is a start, then we can able to see that in uh, by the browser. Generally, once you'll do that in a stop and a start, it will take a while to reading that in all those configurations files and loading. Yeah, here we go. So that's all about in these lectures for how to stop, start and restart in the Windows 10 with help of a services, and we'll see in that uh, next lecture.